We have this chiller project. It's a industrial chiller project that is initially developed in SCL, structure controlled language, in TIA Portal. We have it in hand, and we want to. The original algorithm is developed in SCL, and we want to convert it to STL, add more functionality to all components of this chiller compressor that is part of a bigger HVAC application. So we want to first convert that from SCL to STL. So we need to make a copy here. It's clear that the STL editor cannot recognize the SCL code, so we need to make them as comment in the program, and we comment them all. It's a good feature instead of doing all of lines together manually. But in other languages, there are like other programming languages, there are other features such as syntax like this, but it's not working in STL. So in each language there are some tricks to comment section of your program. So we did the whole program in comment mode, and we want to convert them line by line into STL, add more features. In the previous version, we just made the control of chiller units, chiller A and B. Now we want to add more features, like operate them in local mode, and add more HMI pages, and make the simulation more complex. So it will be 100% realistic model that can be used in industry. So we will start and possibly share some points in the middle, some tricks we may share in this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your weekend. Here we have a very cold, rainy weekend. I hope you enjoy yours as well. Thank you for watching.